Alrighty, back again to do another demonstration. Again, still practicing for my presentation here in about 4 hours. This demonstration is on administration uh, and how easy it is to create websites using some of our templates that are provided uh, by IBM for the IBM Customer Experience Suite. So, hope you like it. Thanks.
Okay, for all you administrators and architects out there, I want to show you how easy it is to build a supplier portal through the IBM Customer Experience Suite. And to do that, I'm going to show you VT Living. Now, VT Living actually used the retail vendor portal template for WebSphere Portal. So if I actually jump over to the IBM pages here, I can see within the industry toolbox there is a retail vendor portal template, and all we did was download it and install it, and it provides you a set of content templates and a set of pages and a set of portlets. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to log in here. I'm going to show you a little bit about what is provided out of the box. So right out of the box, I'm provided typical types of content types such as events and document lists, as well as news that I can start to fill out and put in into my views and my presentation. So here's my latest news articles. And so these layouts and these types of portlets are provided out of the box. Now, what we have here is a scorecard that is personalized for Frank Adams and shows his data. And we provide these types of portlets through the Web Experience Factory so that you can hook them into your data sets and those kind of things. Now, one of the other features that we provide out of the box within the retail vendor template are onboarding checklists that can be connected back into your typical workflow processes or your business processes, such as Lombardi or other things like that. So here I can see an onboarding checklist, and we of course provide these portlets in the sample content behind the scenes here. And what you're seeing here are a set of lists, items that a supplier has to fill out when they are trying to become a supplier for VT Living. So a typical type of workflow business process that each supplier has to fill out whenever they sign up for the VT Living supplier portal. Now what you'll see here is as I'm starting to go through my checklist, I might need a little more information. And so here I can start to utilize the wisdom of the crowds to provide some of the hints and tips of filling out my checklist here. So now I'm starting to provide some of that self-service that is provided by the community of suppliers themselves. So as VT Living, I don't always have to go through and answer all the questions. I can allow some of my other suppliers that have found the answers to sit here and post them and allow them to help other suppliers find the answers. Now, as I drill down into this particular item, submit EDI setup package, I don't even know what that means. I need to find out a little more information. I can start to drill down into some of the topics from the EDI forum. So a lot of great features that are provided by the retail template. Now, one of the new features that we're providing within the Customer Experience Suite are community pages. And what you'll see here are a new set of blogs, ideation blogs that are provided through the Customer Experience Suite, as well as some additional portlets that are provided from the template, such as these documents and those kind of things. Now, for you administrators out there, I want to show you how easy it is to create a cool community page that provides ideation blogs, that provides more information about my network of folks that I work with, active discussions. How easy is it to build one of these pages? Well, coming within the Customer Experience Suite, all I have to do is say, you know what, I want to create a new community page. When I do that, I give it a name. And of course, I have my typical friendly URL type of things. But one of the new features that we'll show here is how to choose that I actually have templates to choose from. So these templates can come from the community, they can come from my administrators. So once we start to see some patterns and identify some patterns that a lot of our suppliers are utilizing, now I can start to bring those in and allow other suppliers to utilize them. So here I can search by tag, I can do a quick search, I can see recent templates that folks are using, templates used by child pages. But what I want to choose here is one of these templates that someone has created, Samantha Darren has created, called the community task page. So this template creates a page that has activities, tasks, resource, and members of a selected community that they're actually working on something. So once I select this particular template, now I'm creating a page that's based upon that template. Now if I choose my advanced settings, of course I have URL mappings, I can edit that right in line. I even show what content is mapped to this page, so what type of news is mapped to this page here. And of course I can start to choose which community I want to have within this community task page. So do I want to take the same community that is currently configured for my community pages, or do I want to create a new community or connect to an existing community? So I want to just inherit the current community that we're looking at. So once I create this page, it utilizes the template to build that new look and feel for this particular page, as well as put the portlets on the page, and then what it uses is that community to configure the portlets. So these are the activities within the community that I chose. These are the status updates of the members that are within that community. These are the resource and information documents that are for that community. These are the files, or these are the activities for that community. So now I've very quickly built a new page based upon a template configured for a specific community, so that Frank Adams and his community members can start to work on a page. So that shows you how easy it is for you administrators and architects to very simply and very quickly take a blank site, utilize the retail template to build a site that's content rich, a lot of portlets provided for you, onboarding, self-service, customer self-service, supplier self-service, as well as start to enrich the experience for your suppliers through communities, utilizing the social features of the customer experience suite, as well as how easy it is for an administrator to very simply build a page off of a template and configure it for a community.